Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CADD Nest. Today we are going to learn to create a simple chair by using the Google SketchUp. So first we delete the default object. For the creation of chair, I'm taking the rectangle as the references. Draw the rectangular in a vertical faces. After that, take a line and draw horizontal from 1 feet in, and then draw a line in a vertical and then again take line, draw from this point to this point. This edge will be sharp, so I'm taking 2-point arc, draw arc from this point to this point, make a curve, and also same as this again. After that, select these line and give some offset. I'm taking 1 inches offset and draw the line from this point to this point. After that, select this object and make group. This is the upper portion of the chair, and now for the lower portion, I'm taking the line, draw from this point to this point, and also draw the line from this side. And join these two lines and make a closed object. And select these lines, give some. After that, select and make group and give some push. Open this group and take push at a smaller distance. And open this group, take push and push your convenient size. To this side. And open this group, select the upper portion and give some smoothness. By right click, go to smooth edges. The edges will be smooth. and close the group. This is the simple chair. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.